left to right. It says
Skylar's got a new bubble blowing gun. Instead of doing bubbles by hand the old traditional way, Grandma got him yesterday for his birthday. This gun. Show this gun. Let me see the bubble gun. See, you're supposed to put it in the bottle of soap. You know, it's supposed to blow bubbles for you, like shoot bubbles and stuff. There goes a little bubble.
fire.
Come on, show the gun, Skylar.
Bubbles.
It looks like you need some more soapy stuff.
Fire.
What are you doing? Gotta hold it up, Skylar. Not like that, level. Alright, that's enough.